Vijay is the director of this actually, once the hospital at
on this auspicious occasion and the major roti which had been for long a cherished dream of our years.
உழைப்பு தொடங்கி அறிவு பசியை நீக்கும் மக்கள் மத்தியில் பிறந்து மாணவர்கள் அனைவர் உள்ளங்களிலும் அருகாய் நிறைந்து ஆழாய் இருந்து பறந்து சிறந்து செம்மாந்து வீற்றிருக்கும் எங்கள் சேர்மன் ஐயா விஜய் ஸ்ரீ டாக்டர் கே வி குப்புசாமி மாணவர்களின் முன்னேற்றத்திற்கு அயராது உழைத்து மாணவர்களை ஒழுக்கத்திலும் படிப்பிலும் நடத்தி வந்த ஸ்ரீமதி பத்மவதி குப்புசாமி அம்மா அவர்கள், எங்கள் கல்லூரியின் ஒவ்வொரு கற்களிலும் உங்கள் உழைப்பும் நேர்மையும் ஒன்றி இருக்கிறது. எங்கள் கலையரங்கத்திற்கு உங்கள் பெயர் சூட்டுவது எங்களுக்கு பெருமை. இந்நன்னாளில் தமிழ்தாய்க்கு நன்றி செலுத்தும் விதமாக அனைவரும் எழுந்து இன்று தமிழ்தாய் வாழ்த்து பாடுவோம்.
Dr. Vijay V.K. Sir, Principal of RBS Dental College, to felicitate the gathering.
I'm honored to welcome you all for Revives the College Fest, which is organized by the consultants of this year, and a milestone occasion of inaugurating our college auditorium. I am quoting as a milestone occasion because we have been conducting our programs and cultural events since long and wonderful way, but had a provision of finding an appropriate our own venue to create an ambience for joy, positivity and cherishment. And today we are at this occasion where we are inaugurating our own space where we can conduct small and big events without undergoing a turmoil of organizing and finding a venue. The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. This has been possible only because of His blessings, foresightness and vision of our institute backbone, our beloved Honorable Chairman Ayya, Videshri Dr. Kuppusamy Ayya Avargal. Sir, I welcome you for today's program. Because of his absence of his health issues, Ayya Avargal, but his blessings always with us. So he was always thinking of our college and the improvement of our college always. And today, our chief guest, Mr. Balakrishnan Sir, IPS officer, is one of the city's top cop, the first graduate in his agriculture family in Kanyakumari. Came up in life of his own stream with a post-graduation in agricultural science. The Indian Police Service was an automatic outcome. First it was an Indian formal service, then with the Indian Railway Account Service, although Sir preferred IAS, which was his mother's dream to come as a collector. And it was his father's wish that he became an SP, and eventually happened. It was eventually happened. Sir was ranked 148 in this IPS list in 2003 batch. Since Sir wanted to be directly connected to the people, he opted Indian Police Service (IPS). During his tenure as Deputy Commissioner of Police, he was the Chief Negotiating Officer in Jallikattu protest movement in 2017. It was a major impact of Tamil Nadu, and Sir was the Chief Negotiating Officer in that. He also ensured rescue and rehabilitation of people from slum areas in Kottupuram, Chennai. During the floods in Chennai, Sir was the first cop and he was the topmost cop in that whole area. Sir's interest lies in fighting crime against women and children, rehabilitation of juvenile delinquents and cyber crimes. To address the above issues, Police Boys Club and Police Girls Club in schools was launched by him in and surrounding the districts of Tiruchi. And Coimbatore Adventurous Sports Clubs is initiated for the students of Coimbatore by our commissioner today. And today morning it was a small discussion was going there for all over the institution states and the institutions and company states also. And I was one of them in that function. And so I was conducting the Adventurous Sports Club, and it was an enormous and efficient effect in the efficient thing Sir was doing it. And our chairman Sir also motivated into the such activities in RBS family to boost up all the RBS group principals to involve their students to take part in such programs and make it a successful one. And it was for sure from our average groups of institution, I assure you sir, for sure we will be conducting and we will be involved in that, and our students also will be get beneficiary in that. A new initiative to include transgender in police home guards in Madurai was a significant one when Sir was there as SP in Madurai. The list of remarkable contributions to the society by Commissioner Sir is never ending. Sir, you are the inspiration to the young generation always. Sir, I welcome you for this today's program and I thank for the coming sir. Educational Trust. I welcome our Chief Administrative Officer, Mr. Pali sir, IPS, and Advisor, Badri sir, and the Chief Engineer and Trustee of Social Trust, Balu sir, and the COO, Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Gunasegan sir, for today's program. I also welcome all our sister concerned college principals for the inauguration program. For today's program, in this occasion, I would like to mention few enhancements like we have done lot of things in this college. Wi-Fi enabled smart boards in lecture hall, major operation theatres newly is renovated, and equipment related to the Central Research Institute, and board rooms, yoga rooms for the children for their recreational things, and for elderly peoples and the disabled peoples, and daycare centers. With all this, we awarded with B double plus grade in NAC Council accreditation, and it was a proud moment for us that we were the first cycle we got B double plus. The college also has taken initiative to host national level specialty conference for the postgraduates for sure. Because we are upcoming days, we will be conducting the national level programs and national level conferences will be addressed by RBS General College for the upcoming years. This journey is it's not constant. This journey will be always constant one. I assure that our team will work to keep RBS flag always fly high. I conclude my welcome speech with small quote: work for a cause and not for applause. Live life to express, not impress. Thank you, one and all.